Okay, for question 9 it says that two compounds react with aqueous alkaline iodine to form yellow precipitate. They both have special structure. What is the ratio of sodium hydroxide used to react with 1 mole of compound V and 1 mole of compound W? Okay, so for this question, you need to know the mole ratio lah from the balance equation. On top of that, right, I think you just need to be careful. For W, there is a additional OH phenol group. So you need one more NaOH. Okay, so for compound W, there should be, so instead of 4 and 6, right, W needs additional NaOH. So our answer here is D. Okay, for this question, you need to memorize the equation. Okay, so for different, like the alcohol functional group, the alcohol special structure is 146. Okay, so the coefficient for NaOH is 6, and for the other version, right, is 134. Okay, so number of moles of NaOH is 4, but because of phenol present, now you need 5 moles of NaOH. Okay, these are the ratio 146